Who is the founder of Sikh religion?
Guru Nanak Dev.
Which country is called the land of the rising sun?
Japan.
Which is the brightest planet?
Venus.
What is the time period of national anthem?
Approximately 52 seconds.
Which day is celebrated as International Human Rights Day?
The 10th of December.
Where and when did the first modern Olympic Games take place?
At Athens in 1896.
Who is the only Indian who got Nobel Prize in Economics?
Professor Amartya Sen.
Who was the first president of independent India?
Dr. Rajendra Prasad.
How many bones are there in the human body?
206 bones.
Who gave the title Mahatma to Gandhiji?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Who was the first Indian to go to space?
Rakesh Sharma.
Which disease is caused by hemoglobin deficiency?
Anemia.
Which part of the eye is donated in eye donation?
Cornea.
Who was the first Lok Sabha Speaker of India?
Ganesh Vasudev Mavalankar.
Which is the largest state of India in terms of area?
Rajasthan.
Who was the first Muslim invader to attack India?
Muhammad bin Qasim.
What is the main ore of aluminum?
Bauxite.
What is the lowest surface of the atmosphere called?
Troposphere.
Which state is the largest producer of saffron?
Jammu and Kashmir.
Which is the world's highest plateau?
Tibetan Plateau, Pamir.
Who is the author of The Origin of the Species?
Charles Darwin.
Who was the first Indian to be elected to the British Parliament?
Dadabhai Naoroji.
What is the currency of Bangladesh?
Bangladeshi Taka.
Who is the author of Panchatantra?
Vishnu Sharma.
The term double fault is associated with which game?
Tennis.